How's it going? Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. So, got a whole bunch of handles to get done and reshaped and hopefully finished, or at least a hand sanding. So, you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. So, we got a lot of handles. We got the wooden ones. I think we'll start out handles all taken apart, shaped up, and touched up and all that, and ready to go on these. Then we'll get over to the horizontal grinder and finish up on these, and hopefully get to the carbon fiber, and maybe we can get them all to a good hand sanding point and move back to the heat treat oven. That's my main goal for today. Hopefully. So as always, on my website, there's Amazon links, which I'll put up here and down below. There's shirts like this and a few knives. Hopefully soon all these knives will be available except this one. This one's already sold. Please comment. Let me know what you're thinking, what you do for handles, stuff like that. Subscribe if you like what you see. Alright, enough talking. Let's get to the bench. There they are, together. I'm just gonna do to these what I did in the last video. Put the small wheel on, take it up, put the big wheel on, and then we'll leave the big wheel on and take the tool rest off and start with these handles with the wood. Just come in here and put a big old groove in and see what we want to do with them. I'm just gonna do these off camera. If you want to see the video, I'll put the link up here to the last video where I show how I did all these with rounding it off. That's just what I'm going to do here. I'll see you back when we get to this. Bam, we got these down. I'm going to have to hit that with the small wheel. You can see I did everything on there. Man, it's going to fit nice in the hand with the Anzo. Same with this. Nice and cut out, nice, ready to go. Ready for the Anzo. So I think we'll start on this big bad boy. Now if you want, you can draw things out, but I'm just going to kind of go by eye. You know, I want it coming in, then I want it to come back out, and then I got the 1-inch wheel on here, so I'm going to kind of hit it in here, so it'll go out and then come back in, then back out, just to fit in the hand real nice. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I'm not wearing the jacket because of carbon fiber. I'm wearing the jacket because everything was covered in G10 and I left the window open for 2 hours. It was freezing down here. You guys probably won't hear that, but man, I don't know if I need a new a trim pot or what, but the motor keeps speeding up and slowing down, speeding up and slowing down. But it looks like from here, I gotta touch it right here, and then we got some hand sanding to do on this bad boy, but whoo, man, that fits right in the hand. Yeah, man. Looks like I need to take a little bit off this side. See, that's what you do. This side needs to come down a little bit, and this side needs to come up right here a little bit. You start matching up things to see how they look. But that's basically it. Let me touch this and we'll move on to the next one. I want to see what this looks like with a little bit of linseed oil on it. I'm going to have to hand sand this so it'll come off anyway, but woo-wee, let's see what we got with the shine. Yeah. Without linseed oil, with linseed oil. That's alright. We're gonna, like I said, you can see it needs a lot of hand sanding. I just want to give it a shot, see what it looks like. Once we get it sanded down and all that to a real high finish, it'll look a lot better. Let's move on to the next. So see how this one came in? I set this side down. So we're gonna want to bring this in here, but we have to keep checking because we have this. I mean, this is just our rough grind, but the more you can get it, I got all this dust here. The more you can get it straight from the start, the more chances you don't have to go back and fix it and chase it back and forth, so. I think I took too much out of here. It's pretty thin. But see, there's another reason I don't think you should glue your handles on. If you mess them up, you're going to have to take them off. And getting epoxy handles off is a pain in the butt. I might be able to save it with some hand sanding, but I got to bring down right here and all that. But I need to take a break and open this window. I'm covered with sawdust and stuff like that. Well, I guess it's belt dust, huh? I'll be back. I'm going to do this last one and then go up and start editing this video. If you want to see, I'll put a link up on the cards and stuff and maybe in the description how I do my Anzo pattern. So I'm not going to do these on camera because I've already done that. You can go do the karambit. The karambit's the Anzo pattern. That's how I do it. So I'll leave a link to that. Get all these wood shapes. So we'll have a whole bunch of hand sanding in front of us and take it from there. Here we go. Alright, hand sanding it is. Now one thing, if you go too short, and my neighbor has a dog. So anyway, if you do find yourself taking it too short, you can round it off like this, you know, to kind of even it down. Or if you have to, it will make your handle smaller, but see, like right here, I think I'm going to have to make it smaller or bring it down. Actually, it looks like it's lopsided this way. So I'm going to have to bring this side down a little bit to even it out. You can see the handles are starting to pull away. So that's one thing about non-epoxy. You have to make sure you're pushing them tight. So that's why I kind of stopped. I don't know if they're too high in one spot or too low in the other spot. So I figure I better stop before I roll them. You can see I need to come down a little bit here and all that. But we got all the wood rough shaped and all that, so I think that's about it. See you back at the bench. I don't think I like that linseed oil on there. I'm definitely going to hand sand it off. Maybe I'll use some polyurethane or something, or some Danish oil or something. Because I really like this side a lot more. Pops more. But who knows, once this is sanded, maybe we'll see. Anyway, sorry I missed the Wednesday upload. I just finished editing and realized I didn't have an outro, so we'll do it here. Remember, the Amazon links are on my website up here with shirts and knives, and also everything's down in the description. I'll leave the links to the other videos for the handles and stuff like that down below too. The podcast is down there. I've got last week's episode already uploaded. Thanks for all the support. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you do different on handles, or what you do the same, or any techniques and all that. Alright, thanks again. Hope you're having a great day. And as always, take it easy. Guess it would help if I tighten the belt up, huh? Oh. Woo, 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 woo.